Two boats carrying illegal migrants on Wednesday were intercepted by a Senegalese Navy patrol off the coast of Senegal. 338 migrants, which included many young people, were then forcibly returned to the Dakar naval base. Today, the Walou deep-sea patrol boat boarded two pirogues off Lompoul, 150 kilometers off the coast. The number of migrants apprehended has risen to 338, including 35 women and 13 minors. This interception follows two others carried out 2 days ago by the same vessel off the coast of Senegal. With the number of attempted migrant crossings to Europe rising in recent months, Senegal's Navy has stepped up its boarding and rescue operations targeting illegal migrants. In this general context, the National Navy is playing a full role alongside other government agencies. As I speak, a system has been put in place to intercept these canoes and prevent them from setting sail for European shores. For those coming from West Africa, Spain's Canary Islands remain a key target, with thousands arriving there this year.